Here's how to export rendered pictures and videos from Blender. So we'll start with just a simple picture. So to render, you just press F12 on the keyboard. And there's the rendered view of the cube. So while you're in the rendered view, press F3, and it will ask you where you want to save this picture. So just make sure you choose the right location and give it a file name. And save. Now, if I press escape, we can also render a video. If you look on the timeline, this animation is only 20 frames long. And currently, this whole project is set to be 250 frames. So we don't need all those extra frames. So what I'll do is I'll just check out again how many frames there are in the animation. So this one we know ends at 20. So I'll end this one maybe 10 frames later. So I'll put 30. Okay, so what it will do is it will render from frame 1 to 30. So we got rid of all those extra frames. Next, make sure you're over on the little tab that looks like a camera, the render tab. And then if you look at dimensions, the default should be 1080, so it should be an HD video. You can increase the quality or resolution here if you like. You can put that up to 100%. Down in output, again, you're going to have to choose the right location for this to be saved into. And give it a file name. Call this cube animation. And accept. We're also going to have to change what kind of file we want. So right now it's set to PNG, which means if I rendered this right now, I would get 30 individual pictures because PNGs are images. We want a movie. So you can go with this one here, MPEG video. And once that's been chosen, you just go up to this button here and press render animation. And we can see that it's going frame by frame. And while it's doing that, I'm just going to go and open the file location that I chose. And see what's going on in there. So here we see the cube animation file. And it looks like the render is done. So if I double click this, we should see a video that plays. And there it is. It's a very short video because it's only 30 frames long. And then here is the picture that I rendered earlier. So that should load and we should see a picture of the cube eventually. Hopefully, there it is. All right, so that is how you render pictures and video with Blender.